Personal support workers and nurses at Lashemere Retirement Home, just outside of Windsor, began getting late pay deposits in early 2010. The employer promised it was just cash flow errors and promised it wouldn't continue. He lied. It continued and got progressively worse. By January, it became apparent there were no more paychecks coming for these workers. With the support of their union, they did everything they could to fight back, but they adamantly refused to abandon their 68 residents, most of whom required nursing home level care and who had nowhere else to go.
What, are you going to abandon people that are vulnerable and can't take care of themselves? How could you not? At times it was struggling. I thought I was going to have a breakdown, and I'm sure all of us did, but we just kept fighting and fighting, and look, it was worth it, for sure. Yeah, absolutely.
This is the type of dedication that many healthcare workers show, and it also, I think, highlights the vulnerability of the residents. And particularly in this case, had you not been working, in this retirement home, had you not had a union that you could go to who would help, one wonders what would have happened to those residents. They really are in a situation of real vulnerability in residential care that is very underregulated and for which there really are very inadequate protections.
We did not want to leave our jobs. We didn't want to walk off the job. We fought to stay there just so we can make sure that they're well protected. If it wasn't for the CAW, that we would have to hire our own lawyer, take them to court, and being that we had no money, they would have won in the long run. But we're extremely thankful for the CAW.
Today, we thank the 38 women of Lashemere Retirement Home. Please welcome Lynn Pelche, Renee Lemire, and Patty Price.
April 1st, 2010 to March 10th, 2011. 11 months of emotional and mental abuse. If it wasn't for the CAW, I would not be telling this story. And if it wasn't for the support of the local community for their help. So on behalf of all the workers at Lashemere, we want to thank the Ontario Health Coalition for your acknowledgement of what we went through. It allows us to know it was all worth it in the end. Thank you very much.